Hey everyone, Elise with Doro Dancing here, and today we are going to learn an easy peasy one called the Cowboy Hustle. It's a 32 count 4-wall dance that you can basically pair to any song. If you still need to subscribe, click the button below. It'll keep you alerted with all of our new dances coming out. All right, if you're ready to learn, I'll see you on the other side. All right, so before we get started, because this is a more easy peasy dance, I'm actually just gonna go through with just describing the footwork, and then after the second part, we'll go over with just the counts. So I'm gonna turn this way so you can see what my boots are doing. So our first steps is we're gonna take that right foot and we're gonna fan it out. So we're gonna go out, in, Then we're gonna take that right foot, we're gonna bring that heel for a heel, toe, toe, and we're going to alternate for a heel, toe. Now from here, we're going to do two-step kick. So I'm going to take my right foot, I'm going to do step, kick, we're going to bring it back, tap, we're going to do it again for a step, kick, come back, tap. Now we're going to grapevine to the right with a quarter turn to the left with the grapevine. So we're going to go out, behind, out, together, left, behind, out, turn into two diagonal steps. So we're going to step together with the left, then we're going to come back with that left, together with the right. Okay, so let's go ahead. We're going to put some counts behind that. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 4. Heel 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step kick 5, 6, 7, 8 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, bend 5, 6, 7, 8. Left 1, 2, 3. Turn 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so for a little extra practice, I'll go ahead. We're going to count it out. We're going to mix in 2 walls. So we'll go the first 2 walls, and then by then you'll know the dance. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Heel 5, 6, 7, 8. Heel it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step 5. Kick 6, 7. Tap 8 again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bend 5, 6, 7, 8. Left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step 5, 6, 7, 8. Bend 1, 2, 3, 4. Heel 5, 6, 7, 8 again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step 5. Kick 6, 7, 8 again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bind 5, 6, 7, 8. Bind 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, you did it. You learned the whole Cowboy Hustle. If you like this dance, leave us a comment. Let us know what you think. If you are ready to dance it out with me, go ahead, click the video, and I'll see you on the other side.